Kongmesiamu enseme muswafo hwengmesiam honsem so mamu ye doctor wo say ya wadu chum no den sama hodo asudwa no wo che say ngumesua wo mamu ne fan ye hwensa no dwuma honsem so me kire ye technical and vocational education no wo mo de wo hoji mu mprempre ya no amo mani da so se dache no wo mo ankasa benya wansa no adwuma na mo my Ghana setene mu akoye na wantena se ya ntwa abanti mabrodo no ano ene mfie kakra di anim wo mo benya adwuma ye Oswafo ya wohwe omai enwomesua so ya osai edutwum edi ato achechefo awamo ewo technical and vocational schools awodo enim se omomodina emfa entete pa ema emabunu no ene mofra wonum ebe school nim sebeya daache encherekere awamo enya no obetimi edi aye adwuma ewo mai emu ebra woni empanifo eda technical and vocational education training institutes awodo ano ekoshiemu ene ode sansemi etudwa.
We have to become more innovative. We've discussed the need for schools to do job fair so that companies can come there and recruit from their schools. So heads of schools are no longer going to sit there to get a phone call from a company. They are the ones who are going to make phone calls to companies to come and recruit from them. So it's a paradigm shift. So the new TVET regime we have is a TVET that combines with STEM. It's a TVET that brings about innovation. It's a TVET that prepare our students for jobs, 21st century jobs, IT fields, and a number of areas where artificial intelligence, our TVET schools are now doing that.
And what was I carried to us to say, about a year, waiting be as a bay at TVET, but I would see any swan or betting me a drew who senti, so company for instance, one more Famudiana, one far and more.
And we can send you the pictures, and it will amaze you to see the kind of equipment that are in our TVET schools. You know that our technical universities have better engineering laboratories than our regular universities. And that is the legacy of President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. Investment has been made. But what I want to see as a potential outcome is when we use these tools to train the students that industry needs and industry are demanding for more. That is the day that it will gladden my heart to know that TVET is going through transformation.